Good afternoon, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be having one final look here at my indoor greenhouse, one of my indoor grow spaces. There's a lot of propagation going on in here, and it's a fabulous place to be in the middle of winter or anything like that. I'm wearing my sunglasses to go in here. Well, I'm actually wearing my wife's sunglasses to go in here, but yeah, it's just bright and warm and sunny and humid in here. And we're gonna go and have a little tour. And I'm going to show you a new light that I've been using up there. It is pretty awesome as well. So I'm just really happy with this place. But as you know, we are going to be moving in less than a month, and all this is gone for now. Whew. So it's chocker-blocked full in here. You guys have probably watched this fill up. I don't do tons of tours down here, but I do enough. And yeah, so let's just go in. And first off, since it's here, this is the new light I'm using, the Aponuo light. It comes from Amazon. This is a PL182. And as you can tell from the picture here, it's really meant to go head to head with the Mars Hydro TS1000. And it does a really good job. It's a nice looking light. Nice rounded corners to it. Beautiful spectrum. I don't know how it's going to show up on camera really, but it's a nice clear spectrum. Just beautiful. If I lift my glasses, I have the TS1000 as well, and I think this produces a nicer, crisper white light, not so orange. It just looks, yeah, it looks pretty good on camera from filming. So yeah, it's a great light and good spread on everything. Gets all the shelves very nicely, and stuff is just loving the light so far. It's fairly new, but I'm doing this in a fairly quick time frame because this greenhouse is not going to be here for much longer. So I wanted to show it to you in its glory with this new light. And yeah, so let's do a little bit of a tour. I'll move this away. I'm going to put the link to this guy into the description below. It's nice. It is one of the waterproof lights. It's like so if you missed it by accident, there's no moving parts, there's no fan, so there's no noise, and it's cool. If it doesn't end up back in here, it's going to go in the main greenhouse, where if it accidentally does get sprayed with water, it is going to be fine. So I love that about the light. Waterproof lights is definitely where it's at. No fan is definitely where it's at as well, and it's warm to the touch, but not too hot. So that's nice as well. With no fan, the heat has to dissipate naturally through the aluminum, and it does a pretty good job of it. I like the rounded corners. There's no seams here, nothing like that. Looks pretty slick. Logos on this side here. Ballast is on the top. And yeah, so we will continue the tour now. These cephalotus, they were outside for the winter, and mixed results. For the last few years, I've been trying to decide whether cephalotus need to be outside to go dormant, or if they can just carry on without a dormancy. A couple of them died right back. I'm hoping they come back. A few of them have started coming back again. Others are putting out new growth, new leaves now. So it's looking good. I cut a flower stalk off not too long ago after I brought them in. So that was good. This is my Hoya Lisa. It is one of my favorite Hoyas. So beautiful. This is another one here, May Nam. So this is a Finlaysonia type, but it has fuzzy leaves to it. It's kind of cool. A few more cephalotus for propagation. Some Hoya seedlings. We sowed these seeds together. They're doing pretty good. I think they're getting blasted with too much light. I've been trying to shade them. They're very light colored. My watermelon Indicia, I want to say. I'm not sure I'm pronouncing that right, but oh, it's turned so red under this light. What else do we got? I turned off this light down here because it's a blurple one, and you can't see the plants under it, but I have some cobra lilies that were outside and went dormant, and then I just brought them in recently to live under lights for a while. Some more Hoyas here. This guy here is, if I can remember the name, that's Hoya Sunrise. This one's beautiful blooms here. I love the variegation on this one. The white goes red if you give it too much light. So I try not to give it too much light, but it's just so easy in here. Some more Hoya blooms. Here is some Capensis sundews in here. We have all kinds. We have big pink, we have reds, we have albas, we have narrow leaves, we have a couple of Hercules back here as well, way back there. You're not going to be able to see them too well, but there they are. Those are Hercules. Alice sundews in there. Here are some more Australia Lisa, or Hoya Australis Lisa. So a few different sources of them here, so they're different. That one is super nice back there. And some get redder. The new leaves get red growth on them. This is a different source than these ones, and there's a lot more white on them. Oh, my meter is going here. So I was reading the foot candles on here, and if you go under the light, and we are 36 inches away, because that shelf there is 36 inches, we are getting about 800 foot candles of light. Off to the sides, it's got a good spread. There's still 600-700 foot candles, 36 inches diagonally off. And down further, it has a really good travel. Down at this shelf here, we are at 400. You can see some old results from other lights that I've tested. 300, 350. One was 1100. So it stands up pretty good. That one was 400, so it's average to better at, like, we'll say 4 feet away, 4.5 feet away than most lights. Right here it's 525. So yeah, there's really good coverage on it, and I forgot that was going until we got to the tour part. But yeah, so for foot candles on this guy, this light, it is really good as well. Some more Hoyas in there, some more little cephalotus. Lots of Hoya, cephalotus propagation going on in this little room here. Some more blooms. Some more cuttings, we'll say. They're pretty much plants now. Plants down there, really red from the lights. More Capensis sundews, some big pinks, some reds, some little wide leaves coming along. A few Nepenthes way down in there. These lights tend to cook Nepenthes pretty easily. But anyways, that is just a quick tour. And I did want to show off my latest light, the Aponuo PL182. You can find that on Amazon. It's about 175 Canadian, I believe, 179. A little more expensive, but really powerful, really nice. Like smoking nice color to it. Plants really photograph well under it, and seem to be really liking it. So anyways, I hope you like this tour. This could be the last we see of this. Everything is just doing so perfect in here. There's all kinds of Hoya carries down there, splashes. Imperialis reds back there, doing really well. So there's some more wide leaf sundews, the Capensis. They almost look like Hercules, but they're just wide leaf. Look at the red colors on that from the lights. This one's nice with the dark leaves. That guy is, I don't even know if that's going to be a tag. That's not even a tag. Not sure why that's in there. That guy is Carmelia. However you want to say that. I knew the tag was kicking around somewhere. I'll just sit it back in there to fall out again. But yes, so anyways, I hope you like this video, and make sure you join me while I move. We're going to be setting up a whole bunch more spaces like this. I have big plans for this sort of grow area indoors times 10. All right, bye guys.